word में लिखे हुए हैं light.
Light.
Light. L-I-G-H-T. Light. To sit with myself. This is before I had come here.
L-I-G-H-T.
L-I-G-H-T लिखे हुए हैं. Now I don't remember what was the reason why did I write light. And then
हाँ जी, उससे अभी कहाँ दे थोड़ी जी, इधर आ जाइए आप। हाँ जी,
लाइट लिखे हुए हैं, फिर नाल लिखे हुए हैं टू सिट विद योरसेल्फ.
टू सिट विद योरसेल्फ. अच्छा, 1 minute. What is the meaning of to sit with yourself?
When I sit with myself, then जिस तरह ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੋ
तेरे ना
ਨਾ,
म्यूजिक होली करवा थोड़ा.
ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਨਾ, ਆਪਣੇ ਮਨ ਨੂੰ ਕਟਘਰੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਖੜਾ ਕਰ ਔਰ ਆਪਣੇ ਮਨ ਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛ. So I am sitting there, and at that time I am thinking that I am looking for God. At that time in my room I am sitting, I have looked at the light, and then I have started thinking about that here sitting in my own room there are so many books and so many things which are lying with me, and I am looking for God. So that is why I have written to sit with yourself. When you want to look for God, then you are sitting with yourself. But again I have said that I have sat in my own place. In my own place, I am looking for God. After that I have left it. I have not written anything in it for many years. And जी पेपर पे आया सी जो मैं वापस आई हूँ after 5 days of having the satsang and then going back. And I opened that book and ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀ. I continued with it.
But you have to read one time more this. मेरा मत तक पढ़े. Light.
Light.
Sitting with yourself.
Sitting with, to sit with yourself.
To sit with yourself.
So sitting with myself, I was looking for God, because there were many books which were lying next to me which were all talking about God. So I was reading those books and I was wanting to find God. And then I don't know what happened to me. I thought that if I sit in my own place, look into myself, I will find God.
हाँ जी.
And then I closed the chapter. The chapter got closed for about 2 to 3 years. I have not picked up the paper. And then I have walked in Chandigarh, and one of my cousins, she brought me for the satsang. Now I have gone back. I'm again sitting on the same place, and I picked up some book ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਪੇਜ ਮਿਲਿਆ, and I continued now writing after I read it myself ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਕੀ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੈ. Now I know I have come back and I have started writing. Now I know that God will give me everything which I want.
God will give
Me everything which I want.
which you want.
There is no need for me.
After coming to satsang.
So when I came back and I sat there and I continued this, that which God were you looking for, and now you know that God has given you everything which you were looking for. There is no need for me to run about and waste my energies. Now I knew that there was no need for me to go into any books, anything. I knew that I have come to a place from where I will get everything. There is no need for me to waste my energies. In fact, when I gave up everything, when I gave up everything,
ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਕੀ ਹੈ?
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਇਹਦਾ ਕੀ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੈ?
ਸੰਜੀਵ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੈਂ ਸਰਚ ਕਰਦੀ ਸਾਂ ਨਾ, ਕਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਵਿਦਾਂਤ ਪੜਿਆ, ਕਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਭਜਨ ਸੁਣਿਆ, ਕਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਸੁਣੀ, ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਦੱਸ ਦਿੱਤੀ, ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸਾਂ. I was wanting to know, because I had been going to many lectures, this and that, and then here I come and here for 5 days, and even when I had come back after 5 days, I had something absolutely, I was totally disturbed.
Totally?
because disturbed, because all my preconceived ideas of God and books and everything had been shattered. And here I come to know that now you have come to a place. Now the place is, my place is now where I am sitting with my Guru. So this is what happens, that when I come back, and I'm still not believing it. At that time, I was not believing it. I was quite rattled from inside. Ki what is
Quite
this?
stunned.
Stunned, rattled. I did not know what is this that which has happened to me. But I knew this, that there was no need for me now to run and waste my energies. I have found someone who is going to give me exactly what I need. Then I have written, when I gave up any idea of everything, any idea of money, food, physical, everything was removed from my mind, and just sat down. And suddenly I realized that everything had started coming towards me. All those things which I had desired, now they were of no interest to me at all. And all of a sudden I realized that all the things ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਦਿਮਾਗ ਵਿੱਚ ਖਿਆਲ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸਨ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤੰਗ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਇੰਜ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਬੋਲਦਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਹੀ ਗੱਲਾਂ in those 5 days ਦੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਬੈਠੀ, ਮੈਂ ਵੇਖਿਆ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਹੀ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਖਤਮ ਹੋ ਗਈਆਂ ਨੇ, and all positive things have started coming towards me, which was again a very, it was a very, very deep feeling from inside. And I used to not be able to sleep. मैं रोज़ रात 1 बजे उठ के at least 4 to 5 hours I used to write every day something like that. When I run after what I think I want, my days are a furnace of distress and anxiety. I realized that I was living in such a condition where there was so much of burning and so much of anxiety. Now, I sat on my own place of patience with my Guru. But I knew that I will have to have patience. This was absolutely like, it was something like this thing to me, hey Dolly, you have to have patience. Now, what I need flows through me and without any pain. From this now I understand that what I want also wants me. If I am looking, so my Guru is also looking. When I don't run after it and sit in my own place, then it starts coming to me. When I don't run after anything, then I have seen that what I really need and want has started coming towards me. There is a great secret in this.
This is the beauty of this Gyan. This one line. This is the real beauty.
There is a great secret in this, and this I can understand. ਪੁਰਾਣੀ ਐਨਕ ਦੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਈ ਹੋਈ ਸੀ ਸੰਜੀ,